now I want to talk to you about your upcoming venture, and I'm really loving this new initiative. So please do tell everyone about it. And I thank you for choosing us as an opportunity to actually talk about it. So please do tell us.
So I'm very excited. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Sushma, I have been around so many actors in my life uh, because my mother holds theater workshops, and I come across so many aspiring actors. And I've seen so many success stories, but I've seen so many absolutely unsuccessful and disheartened and doubting their talents. I see so many of my colleagues who are today somewhere feeling really low because they're not in Mumbai, they're not where the hustle of the city, going for auditions, doing their whole thing, and they're missing out on this whole um journey of wanting to become something. They feel it has stopped somewhere. So I'm just trying to create a platform for aspiring actors where I'm inviting them to send me their monologues, and I'm going to have some experts from the film industry to judge them. And even if they are on a scale of 1 to 10, even if they achieve a 6, I'm going to post their little piece of performance on that page. So, and once I have at least 30, 40, 50 good performances on that page, I am going to introduce that page to directors, casting directors, that please come and see. There are 30, 40, 50 brilliant new actors, new faces, all age groups waiting there for you. So I'm just trying to create this platform for aspiring actors. I have no monetary gain, there's nothing. It is my payback. I think this industry, the films, the theater has given me a lot, has given me my identity. I've learned so much here. It's just time to start giving back. So I'm just trying to create any actors, any aspiring actors on this chat. Just keep looking at my Insta page, and I think the next 4 5 days you should see an announcement.
Super. And
Need all the love and blessings.
what's the platform called?
It's called Talent Training Ekjut Company. That's what the page is called. And yes, I want actors to feel it is their page, and send in their little pieces of performance.
I think that is brilliant. I think, it is one thing sitting in the aisles, and it's another thing taking life by thorns and doing something about it. And
I'm so passionate about it. Just like जब जो हम तुमने भी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था ना, किसी को शायद बहुत छोटा लगे, मैं तो बहुत excited हूँ, and I have taken this as my life mission at this point. And
yes,
completely got the horns there, and I'm going to do this. जिसको जो सोचना है सोचे, and I'm going to create this platform for actors.
and I think I'm very, 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 very excited about it, and we're always with you. And I'm
Thank you,
sure it will
Sishma. Thank you so
I'm
much.
sure it
Thank
will
you.
rock. Because the intention is brilliant. The intention is so real. I think
Yes,
it's
yes,
really.
and I have great support from my team. I have the most fantastic team, Sushma. I have such
Oh,
passionate people with me, and they
super.
trust me so much. So
Yeah.
yeah.